Hello friends, welcome 99 Tasks. So what to earning and your Twitter account. So this is very easily you to earning. So three setups. So I am go on the Twitter, this Twitter account, this is Twitter and this apps. So go on this three mark this see this is my icon and go near this monetization. So what to monetization. So this is monetization option and Cricket Express. So Cricket Space has three earning systems. So host prates and grading his hosting your something your live video and host one to three peoples and this is conversation space. So have this chance and this three need this three. So content your replaced host your friends. Okay, and this video upload and your friends. This is earning money. What is audience? So your audience is earning his host live paid event. Your can requestly monetize your following. So this is a three earning system. So this is you need something recruitment. So go on this is check your ability. So this see this and check break your letter. So this is 18 years old. So you need and 1 cup flowers and whose three space and post 30 day. So three host a video on live and three is 30 inside and this is earning is that. So I am no this is now no and this ability. So I'm after checking this is and video upload and this hosting and this live video. So after I am get this, so this is something earning. Thank you and subscribe my YouTube channel and 999 touch.